So, moving on in our course, we're now going to do our fifth exercise. In this exercise, we're going to learn a little bit more about the commands multiple lines, dimensions, XY axis, and we'll also learn the commands chamfer and linear pattern. We'll continue to use the new drawing environment and start our drawing with the command multiple lines from the origin point and giving the direction of the line with the mouse. All right, we'll begin with the bottom part of the drawing, and we won't draw the chamfer for now because we use a new feature later to do them. So, as you can see, we do this horizontal line here with the length of 10, then 30 vertically, and we keep drawing our geometry until we get to the upper part of the geometry. After that, we click in Finish and confirm the dimension values. I deleted a couple of dimensions to have a better view of the geometry. Now, we're going to use the command chamfer, in which we select the first line and then we type its length value, which is 5 in this case. Then we select the second line and also give its length value, and the chamfer will be made. We press Enter to reopen the command and create the chamfer in the upper part of the drawing. We'll follow the same steps. The only difference will be the values. Here we have the height of 10 and length of 5. Continuing the drawing, we go to the pattern we have in the right part of the drawing. We'll draw a couple reference lines first. Then we'll draw a line with the length of 3 in the horizontal orientation, and then a line in the vertical orientation, and again a line in horizontal orientation. Then we draw the sloping lines. Now, using the command rectangular pattern, we'll replicate the sloping lines geometry. To do that, we select the geometry we want to replicate, the path distance, and the number of replications we want. You can set the number of replications either in the x-axis, y-axis, or both axes. In our case, we'll use the distance of 6 in the y-axis with 7 replications. We use the angle of 180 to invert the orientation of the replication. Now, we just click in OK to create the geometry. We're almost done. Now we finish our drawing using the commands multiple lines and chamfer. We also create the dimensions and edit the pattern dimension by double-clicking in the dimension, selecting Options, and filling the box Text with the desired text. Then we just click in OK. That's it. Well, guys, that's it for today. Remember to subscribe, click the notification bell to receive our alerts for our weekly training videos.